It's crafting time with DIYs with a twist. Videos are posted weekly. I am trying out the new Ryze mushroom coffee. 6 mushrooms, cordyceps for stamina, lion's mane for focus, reishi for stress relief, shiitake for immunity, turkey tail for digestion, king trumpet for inflammation. I believe this is a good combination because I don't drink coffee. So today I'm going to try this, and if I like it, I guess I drink coffee now. So 1 scoop. I'm going to give myself actually 2 scoops. I'm not one of those that like watery coffee. And I'm going to add a little milk. And I'm going to add some sugar. Now, I know you see me putting a lot of sugar in because I don't like bitter coffee. I'm not a coffee drinker, but I have had coffee before. And I'm going to taste it to see if I have it to my liking. I do not like bitter coffee. I do not like the taste of coffee grains. Warm my coffee. I like it. I'm a coffee lover because of Ryze. To see more content from DIYs with a twist, click like, subscribe, and share.